Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss topic is addition Vedic maths. Add the base and less the complement. For example 5 plus 7. Here 7 is we have taken base and complement. For example 0 to 9 base is 10, 11 to 19 base is 20, 21 to 29 base is 30, 31 to 39 base is 40 and so on up to 80. Here we taken 5 plus 7. Here the base 7 is 10. Therefore we have taken 10's place 1. Complement for 7. 10 minus 7 equal to 3. Now we taken the addition 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Therefore addition equal to 5 plus 7 equal to 12. Another example same 25 plus 37. Here 37 base is 40. The complement 40 minus 37 equal to 3. Therefore 2 plus 4 equal to 6 and 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 25 plus 37 equal to 62.